Amoxicillin plus clavulanate, Co-amoxiclav. Drug class. Broad-spectrum antibiotic. Combination of amoxicillin, penicillin antibiotic. Clavulanic acid, beta-lactamase inhibitor. Mechanism of action. Amoxicillin kills bacteria by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis. Clavulanic acid prevents bacterial enzymes, beta-lactamases, from breaking down amoxicillin. This combination extends the antibacterial spectrum and overcomes resistance. Indications, uses. Used to treat infections caused by susceptible bacteria, including respiratory tract infections, sinusitis, pneumonia, bronchitis. Ear, nose and throat infections, otitis media, tonsillitis. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. Skin and soft tissue infections. Dental infections. Bone and joint infections. Intra-abdominal infections. Dosage forms. Tablets, e.g., 375 mg, 625 mg, 875/125 mg. Oral suspension, pediatric use. Intravenous injection, hospital use. Dose depends on age, weight, severity, and renal function. Typical adult dose. 625 mg every 8 hours. Or 875/125 mg every 12 hours. Pediatric dose. Calculated based on body weight, mg/kg/day. Usually given in 2 to 3 divided doses. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed orally. Distribution, widely distributed in body tissues. Metabolism, minimal hepatic metabolism. Excretion, mainly via kidneys, urine. Half-life, 1 hour. Side effects. Common. Diarrhea. Nausea, vomiting. Abdominal pain. Skin rash. Serious, rare. Allergic reactions, anaphylaxis. Liver dysfunction, cholestatic jaundice. Severe skin reactions, Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Contraindications. Hypersensitivity to penicillins or beta-lactams. History of amoxicillin clavulanate associated liver disease. Infectious mononucleosis, high rash risk. Drug interactions. Oral contraceptives, reduced effectiveness. Allopurinol, increased rash risk. Warfarin, enhanced anticoagulant effect. Precautions. Adjust dose in renal impairment. Use cautiously in hepatic disease. Take with food to reduce GI upset. Complete full antibiotic course to prevent resistance. Pregnancy and lactation. Pregnancy, generally safe, category B. Breastfeeding, small amounts excreted in milk, usually safe. Common brand names. Augmentin. Amoxiclav. Clavum. Curum.